Hello, thank you for watching the CXO Academy video. Today we'll be discussing a little known feature within CXO that can save a lot of time and structure your commentary, and that is our narrative templates. Usually within CXO, we have our comment box somewhere within the report, but it appears as blank. As you see here in this report, we have set up a template so that we collect commentary on a more structured basis. So we have, for example, our month-end close process, that's our title. And then we have by username, by user role, date completed, and by group level. This can be structured any sort of way. This is simply a template that can be copied over from Word, for example, or Excel. If we hit edit on the commentaries, you'll see that we have different boxes. It's essentially just columns and coloring the backgrounds. But I will show you the way to set this up. So we'll go ahead and save comments. If we just go to CXO Designer, we can now go into shared objects and we have narrative templates. If we go into there, you'll see that we have quite a couple already set up on default. So we have, for example, commentary collection. This is the one I've used in that report. We have comment small, which is just 2 bars. We have footnotes, EBITDA, for example, and customer satisfaction. So you're able to create your own by just selecting new narrative template. We'll give it a name, test template. And in here, you are able to paste from Word, for example. If you set up a couple columns in Word, you're simply able to drop them in here. This is a rich text editor, so it takes HTML. Where it simply takes just a copy and paste. So I'll go ahead and cancel out of here. Once you have your commentary narrative template set up, you can now go back into a report. So let's do just that. If we go back into this report, let's go into a profit and loss report. If we go into profit and loss 24 month, we'll see here that this currently has no commentary narrative template. So we'll go into the comment section on the right hand side. We'll open up the comments, and as you see here, we have a section for narrative template. At this moment, by default, is set to blank. If I expand this a little bit, I can select value, double click on value, and now I get the option of selecting any of the commentary templates I created under shared objects. So I can go ahead and select, for example, footnote. So we'll select footnote. And as you see now, my report, go ahead, exit out of CXO Designer. If you see my report now, I still do not have comments at the bottom, but as soon as I hit the edit button here, I'll select edit. Now, even if I just save it without entering anything, I have my template. So as you see now, my commentary template is set up. If I want to edit it, I simply select the pencil icon, and there we go. So I can type in test comments, for example, and it'll save right to that template. So I hope this has been helpful. It's a feature that is not used quite often, but it's very helpful.